Hello everyone, and welcome to South Park, the Stick of Truth. I've always watched South Park, and it's a pretty cool show. I really like it, it's hilarious. But the game, I've played through a little bit of it already, but I'm just going to start with a new game. Let's go. Oh, and if you can see stuff, or if you can hear stuff in the background, I'm sorry.
Deep in the lands of Dara, the humans of Kupa Keep struggle to stay alive as they are attacked by the wicked drow elves of Larnia. Darkness falls as the humans beg their king to save them, a noble king known only as the Grand Wizard. For 1,000 years the battle has been waged, with only the bravery of the Grand Wizard to protect his human followers. But even though the Wizard King is so undeniably true, the Drow Elf armies continue their attacks. They seek the humans' most treasured relic, the Stick of Truth. But the tides of war soon change, as news of a new king spreads throughout the land. In order to save the humans, the Grand Wizard must get to the new king, before the Drow Elf can manipulate his land, and use him to take the sacred relic from human hands. For whomever controls the stick, controls the universe.
Fucking elves. Alright, let's start making a character. Let's have a spray tan. It doesn't look like a spray tan at all. Let's just be fucking completely white. Because that's what I am. I'm white as hell. Let's try to make it look like me, even though you guys don't know what I look like. Because I don't use my cam. Ah, that's close enough. What color? I spend way too much time on this. It's more of that. Alright. Next. Secondary. Secondary colors. I don't really wear black. But I suppose this would be something I'd wear. Maybe. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I don't really have anything. I kind of have bags under my eyes, but that's about it. I don't have any eyewear. Alright. Alright, so I moved.
Well, I think that's everything.
From somewhere else.
We did it, hun. We're really moved in.
It's a new beginning for us. Things are finally going to be good.
Do you really think it will be better for him?
Fuck
They
no.
won't look for him here. We just need to make sure he doesn't attract any attention. Come on, let's see how he's doing.
Sweetie? Hun, you all dressed?
No, I'm masturbating. Don't come in! I said don't come in!
Hey, champ. How do you like your new room?
I don't.
I know it's a big change for all of us, but, son, do you remember why we moved to this quiet little mountain town?
No.
He doesn't remember.
He doesn't remember at all.
That's good he doesn't remember.
Sweetie, we want you to have lots of fun here. Why don't you go out and make some friends?
Because people are
get outside
stupid.
and play, son, like normal kids.
We've got some money
Fuck
for
the
you on kitchen
conformists.
counter, sweetie. Just be back before it gets dark.
Like my soul.
Yeah, we love you too.
I kind of figured. inventory and storage. Okay. Let's just loot everything. Everything we can, anyway. Of course, this frickin' right click. Forgot how to. Okay. Shift. Nothing. No. Yeah, wait.
No.
Dick. Alright. Go outside and find some kids to make friends with. No.
You shall die by my warhammer, Drowell. Banish me to the fort. Maybe you should see a doctor. Ah, hey, no fair. That's cheating. I'm gonna tell my mom. Thanks, kid. I didn't realize he had a health potion. But my name is Butters the Merciful. I'm a paladin.
Really not surprised.
We should be friends.
Sure.
Now that we're friends, you should speak with the Wizard King. He's been talking about your arrival. The wizard lives this way, in the greenhouse, over there. Hey, where you from?
I didn't know that.
Over here.
Ask me questions, dick.
Oh, hail the Grand
The
Wizard!
Grand Wizard.
So, you are the new kid. Your coming was foretold by Coldwell Banker. I am the Wizard King. But the time for talk is not now. Let me show you my kingdom.
Please don't show me your penis. Okay.
Oh, who's your new friend, Eric?
Shut up, Mom. Not now. Welcome to the kingdom of Koopa Keep. Our weapon shop here is tended by Clyde, a level 14 warrior. Here you can see our massive stables, overseen by the level 9 ranger, Scott Malkinson, who has the power of diabetes.
It's a really
And
strong
here, of
power.
course, is the breathtaking and lovely Princess Kitty,
Hmm.
the fairest maiden in all the kingdom.
Would fuck.
Don't ask why Kenny wanted to be a chick, it's just how he seems to be rolling right now.
10 out of 10. Alright. Well, that's basically the intro for now. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll upload more of this later because I know I love the game already. But, yeah. I'll see you guys in another episode. Yeah, I'll overwrite this. Goodbye.